Well, hello Birmingham UFO group, this is Peter Vincent visiting Joanne. What about doing an experiment, as I did with Arizona, a psychology group, of getting a UFO to land at a predetermined time on a particular time, year and date to be tested by dowsing methods using the colour codes. I had to provide those colour codes to the university people in America, and it all worked out extremely well for them, and they did it twice and they found a different type of craft each time. And also one of them was multi-dimensional.
So this is to test for a magnetic imprint of a craft that Peter would actually arrange for it to be there, and then a group of you guys, or one or two of you, could
to learn dowsing.
Test it. So join us in a dowsing challenge to test for a prearranged time, date of a craft that will be there magnetically.
So it's remote viewing and on-site dowsing. I do the remote viewing from Tunbridge Wells in Kent to a park or open area in Birmingham that can then be agreed with ET to have something there that can be, its energy can be measured against colour codes.
Ta-da! Okay, great.